Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Hyundai Genesis Coupe. These shifters provide a more interactive driving experience, giving you direct control over gear changes. You'll find them conveniently placed behind your steering wheel. The left paddle is for downshifting, and the right paddle is for upshifting. It's a fantastic way to feel more connected to your car and the road. To begin, ensure your vehicle is running and the automatic gear selector is in the drive position. Next, simply slide the gear selector to the right into the dedicated manual gate. You'll notice the dashboard display changes, indicating you are now in manual mode, often showing M1 for first gear. This simple action gives you full command over your Genesis Coupe's transmission. When you're ready to change gears, pull the right paddle to upshift, which is ideal for gaining speed or improving fuel efficiency. Conversely, pull the left paddle to downshift, perfect for quicker acceleration or using engine braking. Always remember to shift before your engine reaches its red line to protect your vehicle's components. Practice makes perfect for smooth transitions. For more advanced driving, try downshifting before entering a corner. This technique helps you maintain power and control through the turn. Be mindful to avoid rapid, successive downshifts at very high engine revolutions, as this can stress the transmission. Your Genesis Coupe system might also automatically upshift at the red line to prevent engine over-revving, offering a safety net.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.